Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to open the menu on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you open the menu, scroll through it and find the settings icon, and after you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called the other. It's going to be at the bottom of the menu. Tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called disconnect and reset. And once you find it, tap on it, then scroll down, tap on the check mark, and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this animation on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.